Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about the Java interview questions. That means the technical side there. In Java interview questions there are two rounds. One thing is the technical round and the other thing is the HR round. Here in this video series I'm going to discuss about the Java technical round interview questions. So this is the first video related to the Java technical interview questions, and here I'm going to discuss uh, Java Fizz Buzz interview question. This is one of the well-known interview question. So I'll explain what is the meaning of this Fizz Buzz interview question. Normally, any Java developer can write a program to print numbers from 1 to 100. As an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that way, up to 100, up to 100. If somebody asks you to write a program to print 1 to 100, you can easily do this by using a for loop or a while loop, any other loop you can use, and you can write a program to print this one. Now this FizzBuzz integration means it is extending this program, and they are substituting the values for some of the places of this program. That means suppose the numbers which are divisible by 3, they are asking you to substitute the value called fizz, and the numbers which are divisible by 5, they are asking to substitute the value called value or a string called buzz, and the numbers which are divisible by 3 and 5 both, they are asking you to substitute the value uh, fizz buzz. Okay, that is the nature of this fizz buzz question. Okay, so how do we do this one? So I'll first explain you the design part of this one. So normally, if you want to if you are if you want to uh, do a program nicely in an analytical way, first don't directly design to the coding part. First analyze the program and do the design part. Okay, this is the way of analyzing and design the part. So basically, I want to create a program to print numbers from 1 to 100, and there onwards, for the numbers which are divisible by 3, I'm going to substitute the string called fizz. The numbers which are divisible by 5, I'm going to substitute the string called buzz, and the numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 5, I'm going to substitute the string called fizzbuzz. Okay, I'll write those things. The numbers which are divisible by 3. So how do you write that one? I'll take an integer called I here. I means a general integer. I divisible by 3. This mod operation I have taken where the divisible by 3 means there is no remainder. So mod operations means the remainder value. So what is the remainder value if it is divisible by 3? It should be 0 if it is divisible by 3. Okay, they are going to substitute the value as a string called this, and also the numbers which are divisible by 5. Okay, then it is also 0, substituting the string called bus, and the numbers which are divisible by both 3 and 5, both 3 and 5, and operator I divisible by 5 equal 0. What are you going to substitute? It is this bus. Right, this is the design part. Okay, now if I'm going to print the numbers 1 to 100, are those only the values which are divisible by 3, 5, and 3 and 5? No, there are some values which are not going under these three categories. So give an example for those numbers: 2, 1, like that way. number 7, it is not divisible by 3, 5 and both. So those numbers we are giving the exact value of that one. So print I for them. Okay, this is the nature of our program. Okay, this is the logical part of the program. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to code this one. Before to code this one, I know that I have to use a for loop for this one, because continuously print the numbers from 1 to 100. I want to have a for loop. So for loop, first I want to initialize that one. So int I, what is the initial value? The starting value, it is 1. Int I equals 1. Okay, right, semicolon. Then the second thing is the condition. What is the condition? The I value should be less than 100. I less than. So here we will take a general value. General value means not only 100. We are not going to limit that one. Suppose it is n, not only 400, larger than any value, so it is n. Okay, then semicolon. Then what is that? Increment. I am going to increase it by 1. Right, this is a for loop, and I want to make it as a nested for loop, because I want to keep these 3 things under the for loop. So here the first under the for loop, you have to have an if statement, and have to it is easy to take this one as the first. Okay, then this is the first if part. Okay, then after that else if, because then after printing this value, I'm going to take this one. So then else if, after that again else if, I will take this one. After finishing all of those things, then else I want to print this value. Okay, that is the total logical part of this one. So I will take another notepad, and with this design part, I will keep this one, and by seeing this one, I'm going to code this one. So first I'm going to take a class called public class. I'll give the name as the this bus. Okay, under that one I will put my main method, public static void main string pass. Okay, right, you have to understand now. I'm using a method, a special method I'm going to use, because here this all of those things I am going to put under the for loop. So when those are going, I will be taking a separate method, and I will call that method and get these things done. Okay, that's my logic to do this one. So right. So that method I will put it here. The method calling is here. So now I'm going to create that method. That is also public static void. The method name. If you want to put the method, it should be always a verb. So it is like print. I will put this bus. Okay, right. Under this one, as the argument, I will put the value as n in n. So when you're calling, you have to call for this type of arguments. Okay, it's int value. So you're going to call this method. Okay, right. So it should be nested value, so this under this method, I'm going to keep my nested for loop. So what is that? For what is that? Initialization int I equals 0, from 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, right. Since it is nested, I will put like this way, and put my if condition. If if what is the first thing I'm going to put here. This is the first thing I'm going to take. Okay, if I if again this one, then this is I divisible by 3 equal 0, and I divisible by 5 equal 0. Okay, and put cross the that. What do you want to put here? System dot out print statement. System dot out dot print ln. What do you want to put? This bus. This bus. Okay, right. Close the brace. Then what is the second one? Under the same for loop, if else if, because I have taken the if part now. Else if but if I divisible by 3 equal 0. Okay, what do you want to put? That is, it is this system dot out dot print ln, right? That is this, right? Close the brace. Then again else if part. Now else if, what is that? If I, what is that? Divisible by 5. Okay, divisible by 5 equal 0, right? Okay, system dot out dot println. What do you want to put? This one, this bus. Z. Okay, right. That's good. Right. Close this one. Right. The remaining, what is that? It is just else. Else. Okay. What do you want to put? System dot out dot println. That is just type. Okay. Those ways. Right. Now, since it is a nested group, first I want to close this nested for loop part, and after that this method, and after that this class. Then here first the for loop closure, and the method closure, and the class closure. Okay, now I have done, but I have to call the method. Yeah, this method. This is the method. Okay. Here, what is the method? Print this bus. Okay, print this bus. What is the value I will put as the argument? You can put any value, but it should be integer. Now, suppose I want to print the value from 1 to 100. So the value here I going to put as 100. Okay. Okay. Right now, everything is okay. We just check whether there is a syntax error or not. I think that's fine. Okay, so you can go here, file, and save as. Okay, here under ABC, I will put the class name as is buzz here Java. Okay, this was Java. Make it save. Yes, and go to the command prompt here. E, because I have my directory is at E. CD, I have put it as ABC directory. Now I'm going to compile Java C. What is my class name? Is bus.java. But there is a illegal start of expression. else if what is that one? Else if I have put again else if here, what is this? If is wrong. Okay, that's why when you want to verify again here also, if I put, there is nothing called like that way, that's why they are coming. Else if this one, else if this one. Okay, right? Okay, I put save. Go to this one. I see this one. Java C. What is that? This bus dot Java. Good. It's getting compiled. So Java, what is the name? Is bus. Okay. Yeah. It is executing nicely. Now we'll see this bus. Now you know that 1 and 2 those are not divisible by 3, 5 or both. After 3, 3 means we have told that it is fizz, and the 5 it is buzz, and 6 also divisible by 3, then it is fizz. 7, 8 and 9 it is fizz. 10 means divisible by 5, buzz. C, fizz buzz is for 15 because you know that it is divisible by both 3 and 5. Okay, this 1, 2, 4, those are not divisible by 3, 4, 3, 5 and both. So those are remaining like this way. So it is going up to 100. Okay, you can see but less than 100. So 98, the last value is 99. It is divisible by 3. Okay, so that is the end of this program. So I think you understood this program. Okay, you better practice this type of questions. Okay, in the next video, I will do another type of interview question. Okay, till that, goodbye, good luck. Thank you very much.